This video shows a commercial rooftop HVAC preventative maintenance in Fort Collins. On this job, Tom is servicing a packaged rooftop unit. He starts by replacing the air filters and cleaning the economizer filters. Clean filters help airflow, efficiency, and overall system reliability. Electrical components are checked next, including the capacitor for the inducer motor. In this case, the capacitor was out of spec and replaced to prevent future issues. Voltage is verified, and the system is run-tested in heating mode to confirm proper operation. Preventative maintenance like this helps commercial systems run reliably, reduce unexpected breakdowns, and extend equipment life. At the end of the visit, the unit is operating as intended. For more information on commercial HVAC maintenance, visit Horsetooth Heating and Air.com.